GBP dollar. We caught a video today after Kerry area of liquidity was held. 33.50 towards sort of 33.25-ish. There, this key zone holding, pushed the upside. Obviously, thanks to the lower CPI markets being narrow-minded, as I say, take it with a pinch of salt. All right, at some point, reality is going to kick into gear because obviously oil prices continue to rise. I've explained in the other rundowns. Oil prices remain elevated. We've bounced over 20% since these lows here, which in terms of this reversal we were looking for at this key area here, it made sense. Given obviously the continuation of war and obviously things are very, Trump's threatening to hit civilian targets. This is not slowing down for now. Okay. The true reality is if you look at yields are elevated today, still remain elevated after a little bit of a pullback. Bond market is sophisticated. It understands that, you know, the bigger picture of taking into consideration real-time data, which suggests we're going to have more inflation. So it's not gone away. So anyway, dollar's obviously pulling back at the moment. Technical correction, which allowing GU to continue to remain structurally to the upside right now. Obviously, you can see when you look at it on a daily, it's like we still got room to go and finish producing this higher high of this higher low area held. Grab some liquidity, as I say, in towards sort of 34, 50, 60, 70, this zone here, and then potential rejections. Obviously, GU is a little bit more choppier and a bit more aggressive and not clean in comparison to euro dollar, but this looks subject to some further potential buying pressure before we ultimately get that drop to the downside. Okay, so keep an eye. This is the first barrier to watch, okay, where we expect to see rejections. It's a very, very heavy region. Maybe, as I say, we grab some liquidity up here and then we look to head to the downside. Obviously, to the downside, we need to clear 30, as I explained, 33.40-ish there. And then we'd see a nice drop into the next area of liquidity, 32.00. We'd have over 100 pip drop down here in towards sort of 30, 31, 50, 60. Okay, guys, for ongoing analysis, trade ideas, all that good stuff, and actual specifics, obviously, here we're just sort of going overview. Check out KenMacro.com. You can have lifetime access to that via the links below, or you can just get regular monthly access. Obviously, you get all educational materials as well via the Macro Mastery Trading Blueprint, all that good stuff. The links are below if you do want more access to in here and to give yourself greater edge being able to trade macros with technicals. Other than that, last thing as well, the waiting list is open for the mentorship. Catch you next update.